Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Xapo Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Xapo Bank login. Once you make search, you'll find Xapo Bank on top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the login portal. All you have to do is enter your credential, that includes your email address and your password. Firstly, enter your email address and click on continue to email, and after that enter your password and click login and you'll be logged in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.